はい、ここからはですね、実際に企業の中でビジネスモデルジェネレーション、ビジネスモデルキャンバスを使っている方とかですね、まさにその新規事業の立ち上げに関わられている方から、見てビジネスモデルキャンバスはどういうものなのかというのを、ぜひですねコメントを、いただきたいなというふうに思ってますけども、こちら、それでですね、まず最初に、実際にそのキャンバスをコンサルティングの中で活用されている、カールさんの方からですね、ビジネスモデルキャンバスの、この活用方法ということで、ご紹介をいただきたいというふうに思います。よろしいですか。
Sure. And probably just try to walk you through this. I will speak in Japanese and I will speak in English. Konnichiwa, konbanwa. How's everybody doing? Everyone's okay? I'll start by breaking down this in two separate parts about the business model canvas, and things that you need to focus on by working with the canvas. With the business model canvas, 大体みんなわかりますよ、キャンバスに。本を持ってる人は Oh, wow. Oh, well, we have a strong user community. Boy, good. Let me start by just, okay, so we're not going to focus too much on just the business model book today. I'm going to lecture you on something that's unique, that you need to understand. Creativity involves breaking out of established patterns in order to look at things in a different way. Creativity is dreaming up new things. Innovation is doing new things. I can't understand why people are frightened of new ideas. Okay? I'm frightened of old ideas. Okay? All it takes is one idea to solve an impossible problem. Okay? How to think of business models. Business models no kangagata. Okay? Business model no canvas no人使ってるの人はいます？遊び。ああ、わかった。大体はイメージわかります？ Yes? No? No? 本当に? All right, good. So today we're not going to focus too much on the business model canvas. We're going to talk about something that's very unique that you need to know when you work on the canvas, okay? 今日の話ではビジネスマンのキャンバスの話だけど、でも新しいのファンクションとキャンバスのアディションとアドオンはこれからはリリースする。でなぜかその新しいのキャンバスはすごく今重要。Oh, boring. Everyone's sleeping. Okay? All right. Innovation is front and center on the corporate agenda, according to a global survey. Executives are adding more breakthrough innovations and business model changes to their portfolio to fuel growth engine. Okay? Business models. Business models. Okay? Okay. Does everyone here understand what a business model is? Business model は大体わからない人はいます？ Okay, everyone knows about business models. Very good. We have a smart crowd. Tell me story. Okay. I want you to meet Taro. His name is Taro. Okay. Taro has long experience in the consumer business sector. Taro was just promoted Director of Consumer Goods at Yamada Denki. He was brought in to explore extraordinary ideas. Of course, Taro is very excited now. He's very excited. technology. But he's also worried about budgets. He knows he needs to focus on user needs. Taro is competing for attention to Samsung, Nintendo, Docomo, BlackBerry. He's competing on the competition. This is what he's doing. He's talking about the competition. And all it takes is one idea to solve an impossible problem. So what is Taro going to do? Well, technology, budgets, user needs, competition, he has a problem. And traditional business models will not work. They're not going to do the job for the customer. This is what we're going to focus on today. So you're stuck. Taro and his team, he really needs to, and the whole team needs to unlearn and reboot. They need to start thinking about business model design, innovation. Okay? That's what this is about today.